Good everyone, we're going to go over how to quickly install Ladybug. Ladybug's an environmental analysis tool that is open source and great for helping us with some basic site analysis. The tool is very advanced and you'll be using it later on in your education as well. So if you go to the Blackboard site, and I've set up a little link on the left hand side called Ladybug. Click on there and then just click on Ladybug installer files, and that will download a zip file that you will need to unzip. So we'll just bring that. Once that's downloaded, we'll show you what to do. So I'm going to, on a Mac, you just click on it and it will unzip. On Windows, you will want to go to the zip file, right click on it and go unzip, and then it will unzip it there. Once it's unzipped, you'll see some files inside. We just want this grasshopper file. It's really important to make sure you do unzip it, otherwise it won't work. So we can just double click on that and it will open in Rhino, and just wait, and it will take a few minutes potentially, and it will load and run and install Ladybug for you. So you need to wait until you get the installation is successful sign, and then you want to restart Rhino. So we can go OK, close, and go Rhino quit. And you don't need to save that, so we'll just don't delete. And that's it. So in the next video we'll go through how to use some of the basic Ladybug components on your site analysis.